everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you the top 10 most creative ideas for Asian-style outdoor space. Asian outdoor living spaces are a great way to bring the beauty and tranquility of the Asian aesthetic into your own backyard. With a few simple design elements, you can create a space that is both stylish and functional. Here are the top 10 most creative ideas for Asian-style outdoor living space. 1. Use natural materials. Asian outdoor spaces often feature natural materials such as wood, stone, and bamboo. These materials create a sense of calm and serenity, and they also help to blend the space into the surrounding environment. 2. Incorporate water features. Water features are a popular element in Asian gardens, and they can also be used to great effect in outdoor living spaces. A small fountain or pond can add a touch of tranquility and beauty, and it can also help to cool the air on hot days. 3. Plant lush greenery. Lush greenery is another essential element of Asian outdoor spaces. Plants help to create a sense of privacy and seclusion, and they also provide a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. 4. Add Asian-inspired decor. There are many different ways to add Asian-inspired decor to your outdoor space. You can use lanterns, statues, wind chimes, or other items that reflect the beauty and culture of Asia. 5. Create different seating areas. An Asian outdoor space should be a place where you can relax and unwind. Create different seating areas so that you can enjoy the space in a variety of ways. 6. Use soft lighting. Soft lighting can help to create a relaxing and inviting atmosphere in your outdoor space. Use lanterns, candles, or other soft lighting sources to create a warm and inviting ambiance. 7. Add a fire pit. A fire pit is a great way to enjoy your outdoor space on cool evenings. It can also be used for cooking or simply for gathering around and socializing. 8. Enclose the space. If you live in a windy or cold climate, you may want to enclose your outdoor space. This can be done with a fence, trellis, or other type of structure. 9. Make it a multi-purpose space. Your outdoor space should be a place where you can relax, entertain, and enjoy the outdoors. Make sure to design it in a way that it can accommodate all of your needs. 10. Have fun with it. There are no hard and fast rules when it comes to designing an Asian outdoor space. Have fun with it and create a space that reflects your own personal style and taste. These are just a few ideas to get you started on creating your own Asian outdoor living space. With a little creativity and effort, you can create a space that is both stylish and functional, and that will provide you with years of enjoyment. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.